What is up, guys? This is Investing Sensei. So I'm bringing you guys a real quick video in case you guys do miss the community post, and it'll probably be too late for you guys to sign up if I wait till Sunday for the portfolio update. So I want to talk to you guys about this. So M1 is basically giving us a free trial for 1 full year for $0. So it's a completely awesome deal that I am actually going to plan on signing up. And the main reason is because I want to use it for M1 borrow. So right now, if I go here to the borrow tab itself, I can borrow up to 35% of my portfolio value. So basically I could borrow up to $49,000, almost $50,000, but I would be borrowing it at 3.5%. And so if I do join M1 Plus, I would be borrowing it at 2%. And the cost for M1 Plus is $125 or so. So 2% is amazing, guys. You could pick a stock that basically pays you 3%, and you will be definitely taking advantage of that, because just in dividends themselves, you'll be earning 3% and you only be paying 2%. So I think it's pretty awesome. What I really want to do this is more of a safety measure of if we do have another market correction in 2021, I have access to almost $50,000 that I could borrow at 2% rate. And I'm going to buy the dip with that. And then, you know, obviously that's going to pay off. 2% is nothing. And the gains that we would make in just dividends, because we would be buying those dividend companies, as well the capital appreciation, because the stocks would tank. We would make a lot of money from that. So I want to have that as a safety measure. That's basically really why I want to sign up for the M1 Plus. You also get some other perks of like they have the afternoon trading window, but typically for mine it doesn't really affect me on that part, because if I'm going to invest on a day, I'll just do it the night before, deposit the amount that I want, and then basically buy the purchases of the companies that I want, and then I let it basically does it for me. So that's what's really nice about M1. Basically hands off. But that's really what I want to do, is just want to have that ability to have M1 borrow at 2%. So if you guys go over here to the little alert, and actually if you scroll down, you should see something about signing up for M1 Plus, which I'm not seeing it now, and I'm not sure why. So let me look at this. I know the deal was going to end on the 31st, but let me see if we can sign up still. Yeah, so we are going here. So it says upgrade to M1 Plus. This is what you'll be getting. You'll be getting an afternoon trading window. You'll also earn, I guess you can sign up for, I think it's called M1 Spend. I'm not going to do that. The main one is borrow at 2%. And out here for us is that we are able to sign up for the first year for $0. So it will renew at December 29th of 2021. And one of the things here for us is that I'm actually going to disable the auto renewal. That's one of the very important things. If you guys are going to try this out, definitely make sure you disable the auto renewal. So, you know, it's obviously really hard to remember by next December that, oh, hey, I forgot to disable it, because otherwise you'll get charged the $125. But let's go ahead and try this. Upgrade to M1 Plus. Let's walk through this. So let's see, it says membership starts at confirmation, and then your account will be charged at renewal. And you can change the auto renewal and update. So I think we can just change this to membership details. So let's go ahead and click confirm membership. And welcome to M1 Plus. Your membership has been processed, and we are ready to go, guys. Click done. And so now we are in action, guys. And one of the important things here, see how it says auto renewal? It's on. Let's go ahead and turn that off, because I am not going to remember next time. So let's see. So it just say it's going to expire on the 29th of 2021, which is fine for us. And we're going to go ahead and turn it off. And then we are done there. And now we have this. So by next December, we don't have to, if we forget to know that we have to repay it, we're not going to get automatically charged. So that's pretty awesome. And it looks like we are part of M1 Plus now. So let's check it out. It looks like we have this unlocked now, afternoon 2 p.m. tomorrow, which is cool because we have M1 Plus. but I don't really use it. And also, if we go to borrow, let's go see if that changed. Awesome, so we are going to be able to borrow almost 50,000 at 2%. So that's basically my main reason for signing up for M1 Plus. It's completely free for 1 full year, and it's going to be, I'm going to be able to borrow this money at 2%, which if we actually look at, if I pull up Seeking Alpha, now let's just say the company that I've been buying recently, you know, you guys already know it's JP Morgan. If I look at the dividends, the current dividend yield for JP Morgan, let's say I was to invest this, well, obviously, you know, the 50,000 I'm only going to borrow if there's a market correction. Right now, JP Morgan's dividend yield is 2.87%, right? So we are borrowing almost $50,000 at 2%. We would be making about 87%. Sorry, 0.87. So we would be making about a little less than 1% extra on top of the money, because 2% would be covering the interest. So, you know, if the JP Morgan was to tank, this dividend yield would be going up. So let's say it went up to like 3.5 or 4%, we would be making about 2% on top of, you know, covering the interest. So I think this is going to be really awesome. It's kind of like a safety net for us. Being able to borrow this money on a downturn, especially like if you guys look at the portfolio when it tanked back in March, if we had bought at these prices with M1 borrow, oh man, imagine the profits we would have gotten. That 2% would have been nothing. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to bring you guys this video real quick before the offer, I think, ends on the 31st. So if you guys do have an option for that, consider signing up for it. It's 1 full year for free. You don't have to pay anything. Just make sure you have the auto renewal disabled. So yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and don't forget to support the channel by hitting that like button. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Stay safe out there. Bye, guys.